All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 593, so let's get things started. So first and foremost, a further drop in terms of my equity balance itself. So definitely things don't look that good, especially if you look in terms of the grand scale of things, especially together with the loss of the experimental trade setup, which is quite significant as well. So definitely not a good sign, but bear in mind that ultimately the main trading account setup is, I'll still be sticking towards the plan. And yeah, so on the price of things, the portfolio does increase in terms of value, especially when the crypto market do move towards the upside of things. So there's something to bear in mind. So nothing too much of a concern about, but other than that, I've been stopped off for both Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink itself. Like I mentioned yesterday, I was in a short position, and I've closed all of them in the essence of it. All right, otherwise, across the board, even though you do see the daily market structure is bearish, for ASHR and KWEB, potentially there will be a confirm of a potential capitulation that has taken place yesterday itself, because we have a very sharp drop. And today itself, we see a very large follow through. You can see a very large bounce in terms of ASHR, 10% bounce, and KWEB, a 20% bounce, which is definitely extremely significant because you're talking about 20% in the single day itself. So yeah, let's see how things goes and whether the momentum is able to pull through, because definitely we could still have a dead cat bounce. 20% bounce is not something that is very commonly seen. Generally, you see over here, and then a quick back bounce. If we do consolidate, then definitely we could have further downside to it. But of course, if we do not, and then we have a weak drop and then a weak, strong bounce ahead again, then they could be down confirm the capitulation has taken place in their essence. All right, and then for Bitcoin itself, seemingly doing well, but we do bear in mind that this is definitely still within a consolidation pattern itself. We haven't up confirmed a break towards the downslope trend line itself, as in within this small little region itself. Until we break above this 45K region itself, I will still lean towards more of a neutral to slightly bearish territory in that sense. Yep, that's more or less about it. In terms of trading wise on the forward chart, I don't see any clear established trend established on the forward chart for Bitcoin to enter in terms of any price action trade, which is why the trade I entered yesterday and was top out was purely more on a systematic trading approach. But yep, otherwise that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.